Music on a Wednesday night. It is Riley and Co. And tonight we have Morgan Noise in session. Here's the second number. This is Further.
Dun, 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 dun. Shapes are all falling softly. Give me my part, take distance away, moving deeper inside it. Further into more of the same, so have you even moved at all? Don't ask the walls, cause they couldn't say take the long way around. Long way away, you won't come back around. Long way away, you'll never come back around. Take the long way around. Long way away, you'll never come back around. Take the long way around. Long way away, you'll never come back around. Further still, further still. All on the outside, walls won't bend, walls won't break. Not to forgive them, I won't come, I won't come. No one can make me. One step further, one step further. Snow sitting on my eyelids, lashes lash out as I push it off. I have to see everything, not just the things that land on the top. I'm gonna run into it, to stop it running into me, so I can keep eyes wide open as my body falls down into the sea. I will lean into it, getting hungry for the weight of it in the end. I will lean into it, even though I know full well nothing could depend on the placement of breaths in between the joints of eyes and statue men. So I'll lean into it, finding places where I can count to 10. Further still, further still. All on the outside, rules won't bend, rules won't break. Not to forgive them, I won't come, I won't come. No one can make me.
Wow, I tell you what, I mean, that was absolutely nothing short of fabulous. That was Morgan Noise live in session with Further. And